Welcome to onlyBBguns video review channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Cyma CM125. Very new gun. It is an electric pistol or AEP. On the box you've got the basic velocity in meters a second. Well, what the manufacturer says 60 meters a second with 0.2s. I can tell you now it is 200 FPS with 0.2s, which is feet per second. Must be 18 years of age. Warning, injury caution. Well, duh. Yeah. Okay. So let's get it open. Standard magazine or magazine manual. Charger, gun, magazine, safety switch, fire select. Yeah. Ooh, parts list. Very good. Okay. You'll sometimes get a target in there. Okay. That's that. Onwards and upwards. It does come with a 2-pin charger and charging stand. Speed loader. Worth its weight in gold. Battery. Unjamming cleaning rod, clean and unjamming rod, whichever way you want to look at it. And I've already got the gun out. See how quick that was? You didn't even see me take it out of the box. Okay. Build quality of the gun. ABS. Nice weight to it. You do have a Riz rail on the front end here. It is modelled on a USP compact by the look of it. Pretty much, but nice size. It's 1:1 scale. To access where the battery goes, it's simply pull the hammer back and off it comes. The battery is a 7.2 500 milliamp battery. And it just line the arrow so the arrow's pointing down, put it in the slide, and it locks in. To take the battery out, on the opposite side, next to your hop-up wheel, which I recommend you do not turn too much because you will break it. Yeah. When it stops, that means stop turning it. To release the battery, there's a little tab here. If you pull that down, your battery raises out of the hole. But we want that in there. So let's get the top on. Very simple. That's it. Top's on, ready to rock and roll. Safety? Yep, the safety's on. Good. Magazine release under here. 30 round mag. Very slim line. Don't forget it's an AEP, not a gas pistol. To fill the mag, speed loader, crunch them in, but pull the spring down first because otherwise it will be very hard to click it all down. Magazine inserts in the bottom as it does with any other gun. Yep, that's about it. Now, fire select at the back here. Up, safety. In the middle is semi. Down is full auto, just like the real USP. So let's hear what she sounds like on semi. And full auto. Great for the winter because you don't have any gas pressure or temperature to worry about. Do recommend, there we go, push the button again, there we go, it's in. It weighs in around about 1 kilo. Very nice feel to it, very chunky in the hand, but it's a very nice gun. It's available on our site. Top slide is metal, by the way, before I forget that one. Yep, it's available on our site. If you like what you see, click on the link below, it'll take you direct to it. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and watch me make a fool of myself on these videos. If you have any rude comments, please do not leave them below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you again soon.